Now for this question, the curve have equation dy by dx. A curve is such that dy by dx is equal to this. Now we realize that by doing a lot of question, it is not easy to work with this. We always try to rearrange this as 6 4x minus 3 power minus half. I hope it makes sense, because we know that root is simply power half, and you'll bring something up, it will become negative power. Now P33 is a point on the curve, it is a passing point on the curve. Okay, great. Now for part 1, we have to find the equation of the normal to the curve at P, giving your answer in this form. Okay, now we understand that the normal, it is a straight line. For example, this is the normal. Call this n. Now to find the equation of a straight line, you have to find the gradient of the straight line. So we have to find the gradient of n, right? So how can we find this? So to find the gradient of n, we must first find the gradient of the tangent, because we understand that the normal and the tangent, they are at 90 degrees to each other, because they have a relationship between them. That's why we can use this one to find this one. Now what is the gradient of tangent? It is simply dy by dx. So always remember this, gradient of tangent is dy by dx. It is equal to 6 over 4x minus 3. This is given to you. Now we have to find this at the value of x at the point P, at x equal to the value of 3. So P is x and y is 3 as given by the question. So replace, you will have 6 over 4 times 3 is 12 minus 3 is 9, so root of 9 is 3, right? That should be 2. Let's check. 4 times 3 minus 3, 9. Root of 9 will be 3. 6 divided by 3, that should be 2. Now this is the gradient of tangent, right? Now from this we derive the gradient of normal have to be the value of minus half. Now because of course we have to also know this, the gradient of normal multiplied by the gradient of tangent is equal to minus 1. So by using this knowledge, we can derive this. Now we have the gradient, we have the passing point P. We can find the equation. This is my x value and the y value. So y minus 3 over x minus 3 has to be minus half. Now we have to cross multiply to see what happens. That will be 2y minus 6 minus x plus 3. That will be 2y equal to minus x plus 3 plus 6. So 2y has to be minus x plus 9. So y have to be minus x plus 9. So I guess we don't need to divide by 2 here, because we have to rearrange in this form. Let me send x and y to one side. You will have x plus 2y is equal to 9. So this is shown as required. Now for part 2 of the question, we have to find the equation of the curve. So how would you find the equation of the curve? So pretty easy. We realize that this is actually the value of y. So we have to find the value of y, which is the equation of curve. Now you kind of have to, I would say, just memorize this. When you have to find the equation of curve, it is simply asking you to find the value of y. So y will be what? It is integration of dy by dx. So we have to know this to find y. So let's do that. So integration of dy by dx will be 6 4x minus 3 power minus half with respect to dx. So 6 is only a multiple, will be outside. And first we have to increase the power by 1, that will be half, divided by the power, and then multiply by d by dx of the value inside, that should be 4. Simplify, that should be 2, that should be 3. So you have 3 root of 4x minus 3. Of course, plus c for the constant of integration. Now we have to find this. So right now we have y is equal to 3 4x minus 3 plus c. So we know we have a passing point of 3 3. We can use that to find the value of c. So 3 here will be the value of 3 here. That will be 3. That will be 3. That should be 9 plus c. So 3 equal to 9 plus c. So c will be minus 6. So finally we conclude that y is equal to 3. That will be 4x minus 3 minus 6 as your equation of your curve, which is the value of y. And that will be a question. As you can see here, we have a bit of both of differentiation as well as, not really, we just have integration, because here we have dy by dx already. We didn't have to differentiate, and we just have to know this to solve this. So only a few knowledge here. We have to know this equation, which relates the normal to the tangent, and also we had to know how to integrate this term.